The 01R clamp and the 01J, 02J jaws on the dimple and laser track side of the machine are factory calibrated prior to shipping. The 19J jaw is included as standard equipment with Futura models sold in North America. The 19J in combination with the 02J jaw is used to clamp the two track keys used on Ford, VW Audi, Volvo, and Porsche applications. This jaw and any other optional jaws you may purchase must be calibrated to the machine prior to use. From the Home menu, select Options, Calibration, Clamps, Dimple Track Keys. The right side of the screen will display each of the possible 01R combinations available for the machine. To calibrate the 19J 02J jaw combination, scroll down and select 01R 19J 02J. Calibration of the jaws requires the use of the 02T tracer. Remove the cutter, install the tracer into the cutter spindle, and tighten the Allen screw. Remove the 01J jaw and replace it with the 19J jaw. Tighten the clamp as if clamping a key. Select Start to begin the calibration process. You will receive a reminder to read the instruction manual before proceeding. Once you've reviewed the instructions, select OK. The next screen verifies the specific clamp jaw combination to be calibrated. Since the machine uses electrical contact for calibration of these jaws, you need to carefully clean the clamp and tracer before you begin the process. Select Start to begin the calibration. Select Yes to confirm jaw combination. Select Yes to confirm 02T tracer is installed. Then press Start. Once completed, a box will appear showing the readings taken. Select Yes to save the data. Select OK to complete the operation. The 01R 19J 02J combination is ready for use. To avoid breaking the tracer tip, remove the 02T tracer and reinstall the cutter before attempting to cut a key.